There has never been a time in Earth's past that compares with the Mesozoic era. The history of our planet is a rich and varied collection of stories, and each period of time through which it has traveled has its own special tale to tell. But between 245 and 65 million years ago, it was as if all the rules that had been running life were suddenly cast aside and a whole new set put in their place. It was a time when superlatives became commonplace. Never before, nor since, have so many unique natural scenarios come together. The result was some of the most fantastic and fascinating wildlife that could possibly be experienced or imagined. Even today, 65 million years after it ended, the Mesozoic continues to make its influence known. Effects first set in motion back then carry down to the present day in both plants and animals. The dominant animals in today's world, birds and mammals, both trace their origins to the Mesozoic. The dominant plants in today's world, angiosperms, which comprise more than 90% of plant species, arose over 100 million years ago. Even conifers and ferns, which have a much longer history, underwent changes throughout the Mesozoic that are apparent in their descendants that we see today. In a sense, we owe our very existence to events back then. If not for the progression of life throughout the Mesozoic, and particularly the way in which the era came to an end, it is fairly safe to say that human beings would not now be on Earth. Our ancestors spent 150 million years of the Mesozoic hiding in the shadows of other life forms, waiting for their chance to break out. In the aftermath of the catastrophe that closed out the period were sown the seeds of our birth as a species. Its story then is our story as well.